What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to impute your income in Trim. Do you want Trim to give you a clearer picture of your finances? Start by imputing your income. Here's how to do it. First, open the Trim app and log into your account, and then go to the dashboard and tap on settings or financial profile. There you're going to look for an option that says add income or impute income. Here you can manually enter your income details like your salary, freelance payments, or any side hustle earnings. Input the amount, frequency, and the income source. This helps Trim better track your cash flow, compare income versus expenses, and also to suggest smarter saving goals. If Trim already detects your paycheck, it'll autofill some of this, but you can still adjust or add extra income manually. And that's it. You successfully added your income to Trim. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how Trim detects your paycheck automatically. So hit like and subscribe for more money tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.